Alright. Just did Rise, did Smuggler's Run, headed to Big Thunder Mountain. Woo! I don't think I've ever noticed an abandoned mine over there. I don't think I've ever noticed that. Huh.
It's awesome.
All right, we're up front. We're gonna have some fun.
Yeah.
Best remove them. That's what he says.
Alright, guys.
Best remove them. They're locked up on them. All right, front row view. Let's go. Look at the turtles. Alrighty. The goat should be around this corner. There he is. Not around the corner, around the hill. Blasting. Look, it's the goat. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Oh, they're clapping in there. That's so awesome. So the guy was saying to the cleaning lady right when we got on, there's only 4 trains today. There we go. Big Thunder Mountain, always fun. Right, Paisley?
Yes!
It's always a fan favorite here.